In this video, we will dive into the top 5 best DTF transfer printers for 2025. If you're looking to step up your printing game with vibrant, high-quality designs on various fabrics, you're in the right place. Let's take a closer look at the printers that can elevate your business or personal projects to the next level. So, let's get started. Number 5. Achi DTF Printer. The Achi DTF Printer is a high-performance solution designed for a variety of heat transfer printing applications. Featuring a robust white ink circulation system, this printer reduces the chances of print head clogging, ensuring smoother operation. The system includes 3 white ink circulations, along with functions for white ink stirring and print head cleaning, making the printing process more efficient and consistent. This printer is versatile and can transfer designs to a wide range of fabrics, including t-shirts, caps, bags, pillows, school bags, socks, and jeans. The best part? It completes the entire printing process in under 10 minutes, making it a perfect choice for high-demand environments. When you invest in the Achi DTF printer, you get more than just a printer. The company offers professional after-sales service with a dedicated technical support team available 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Plus, there's a 3-month warranty on the print head, ensuring peace of mind. If you face any issues during this period, the company will replace the print head for you. The printer package includes the Achi DTF A3 printer 1390, an A3 oven, a roll film, 500 milliliters bottles of DTF ink, and necessary software. You'll also receive access to various tutorial videos for easy installation and printing. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and versatile printing solution, the Achi DTF printer is a great choice for your business or creative projects. Number 4. OYfame A4. The OYfame A4 DTF printer is an advanced printing solution designed to meet the demands of high-quality, cost-effective printing. Featuring a white ink mixing function, this printer enhances ink fluidity, ensuring a smooth and consistent print every time. This function is crucial for achieving superior DF printing results on a variety of fabrics. What sets the OYfame A4 apart is its versatility. It supports both roll film and sheet film, giving you flexibility for different printing projects. Whether you're printing on t-shirts, hoodies, or other fabrics, this printer can handle it all. Additionally, the printer includes a roll holder for seamless roll printing, ensuring a smooth printing process for all your needs. The printer also boasts preheating and automatic nozzle cleaning functions, preventing ink spills and ensuring consistent quality throughout the printing process. This makes maintenance easier and ensures long-lasting performance. With the Epson XP600 printhead, you get lower maintenance costs and higher output value, making it a reliable and efficient choice for both personal and professional use. The OYfame A4 DTF printer is designed for high-speed printing, with a black print speed of 37 pages per minute and a color print speed of 38 pages per minute. It also supports network printing and auto paper feed mode, making it a user-friendly option for anyone looking to start or upgrade their DTF printing setup. With its optimized design and excellent printing capabilities, the OYfame A4 DTF printer is an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore or enhance their DTF printing experience. Number 3. Procolored F13. The Procolored F13, a 3+ DTF printer, is an advanced direct-to-film printing machine designed for high-quality transfers on t-shirts and textiles. It utilizes the Epson R1390 printhead, providing an impressive print resolution of 1440 by 1440 dots per inch, ensuring vivid and precise prints every time. This printer supports both roll film and sheet film, offering versatility for various printing needs. One standout feature is the white ink circulation system, which includes stirring, filtration, and circulation, reducing the risk of print head clogs and ensuring consistent high-quality prints. It can print both white and color inks simultaneously, improving printing efficiency. Additionally, the printer has a preheating function to dry the ink and prevent flow issues, while the automatic cleaning system ensures easy maintenance with just a press of a button. With a print speed of just 7 to 8 minutes per A3 format and low ink consumption of 20 milliliters per square meter, the Procolored F13 is a fast and efficient machine ideal for large-scale printing. It can handle prints up to 13 inches by 30 inches, and the included curing oven speeds up the drying process, making it perfect for business use. The printer comes with a comprehensive package, including an A3 curing oven, a roll of PET film, inks, software, and other essential accessories. With a 6-month warranty for the print head and a 1-year warranty for other components, you can be confident in the Procolored F13's reliability and performance. Number 2. Punehod DTF-L1800. The Punehod DTF-L1800, a 4DTF printer, is designed for efficient and high-quality direct-to-film printing on fabrics. With a maximum print width of 13 inches and a print length of up to 1 meter, it allows you to handle larger projects with ease. This printer is equipped with a built-in cutter, eliminating the need for manual cutting and significantly saving film. One of the standout features of the Punehod DTF-L1800 is its advanced siphon filtration diaphragm pump, which prevents printhead clogs, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted printing. The printer also includes a white ink circulation function, which keeps the white ink in motion, preventing settling and minimizing the risk of clogging. The print quality is exceptional, with a resolution of 5,760 by 1440 dots per inch, delivering vibrant colors and fine detail. It uses 6-color printing, which enhances color accuracy and smooth gradients. The printer also supports a preheating function, which prevents ink flow issues and helps achieve consistent results. In terms of maintenance, the printer includes a platform heating feature to shake the powder more cleanly, along with an automatic reset function that reduces errors. With a large 250 milliliter ink bottle capacity, you can print efficiently without frequent ink refills. For those new to direct-to-film printing, the Punehod DTF-L1800 offers remote technical support and a video instruction manual, making it easy to get started. With a 3-month warranty for the print head and a 2-year warranty for other accessories, this printer is a reliable and user-friendly option for t-shirt printing and more. Number 1. Miflame A3XP600. The Miflame A3XP600 DTF printer is an advanced solution for high-quality fabric printing. With its Epson XP600 printhead, this printer delivers crisp, vibrant prints at a resolution of 5,760 by 1440 dpi, ensuring exceptional detail and color accuracy on both light and dark fabrics. It can handle a wide range of materials, including cotton, polyester, leather, t-shirts, hoodies, jeans, and more. This printer stands out for its efficient printing speed of up to 2 square meters per hour, making it an excellent choice for businesses that require fast, reliable production. The A3 Plus size supports a maximum print width of 32 centimeters or 13 inches, perfect for a variety of garment sizes and custom products. One of the key features of the Miflame A3XP600 is its white ink circulation system, which prevents ink separation and reduces the risk of clogging. It also includes a white ink stirring function, ensuring consistent print quality with no ink settling. The heating function solidifies the ink on the transfer film, improving durability and print results. The printer is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11 and operates smoothly with a user-friendly system. For added convenience, the printer includes a suction platform to stabilize the PET film, preventing paper jams, and an electric lifting and pressing paper wheel for easy installation. With a comprehensive 2-year warranty and remote customer support, the Miflame A4 XP600 DTF printer is an excellent choice for those looking to produce high-quality prints on a variety of fabric. There you have it, the top 5 DTF transfer printers for 2025. Each of these machines brings something unique to the table, ensuring you have the best tools for your printing needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns. Happy printing!